Hey everyone, it's Rita for Miss Rita to the rescue. Guess what? We've got a new mystery box, and this is great because they are allowing us to announce its release prior to it being released. So you get to see everything that's in there, including the Cricut Cutie, okay? And before you have to go and pick it up at the Cricut website. Now, in the description of this video, I'm going to provide a link, and that link will go to the mystery box page. This mystery box, which is called the Getting Festive mystery box, will not be live at first. It will be live sometime after midnight tonight, and that's Mountain Standard Time. Okay, so you have a little, if you're seeing this right away, you have a little bit of time to check it out. Okay, so let's start off with the cutie because everybody is wondering about it. This is one of a new color cutie. The last one we had was pistachio, and this one is, let's have a look. This one is, da, da, da. The boxes aren't nearly as cute as they used to be, but whoa, look at that. It's the Emerald Cutie. Isn't it adorable? So cute. And here we go. Look at them on the back with the Cricut on there. This is the Emerald Cutie. Now remember, if a mystery box has a cutie, that means it's only for Access members. You have to be an Access member to get this guy and to get this mystery box. They have made that distinction with us, is that these boxes have to be reserved. The ones with the cuties have to be reserved for Cricut Access members. So if you want this cutie and everything else that's in here, you need to be an Access member before you place the order. You won't even be able to place the order to get it. Okay, so let's see what else is in there besides my this adorable emerald cookie. I put him back. Why did I put him back? Let's put him over here so he can watch us. Here he is. Okay, so you can watch us what we have. All right, so the good news is no party foil this time, and no odd sort of thing in there. So it's all vinyl and all iron-on. I'm going to do the iron-on first and then tell you about the vinyl. Okay, so this mystery box has 3 rolls of iron-on, but it also has this stuff. It's iron-on that's flat, and I actually really like working with this flat stuff because it looks really good. It's easier to deal with, you know, if you're not really into working with rolls, or you just have to do something. There's gold, there's silver, there's white, there's black. That's perfect for us getting ready for Thanksgiving. And then, I'm sorry, not Thanksgiving, the holidays, the Christmas holidays. And these are like shimmery. Look at that. See that? Then we have these 3 rolls of iron-on. Now, at first glance, these both look the same, but they're not. This one is just the red that you see here, and it's 19 inches of glitter mesh in red. Now, how awesome is this going to look when you pair it up with black or gold or silver? We were working on cards earlier today, and we did this really cool red and gold card. I think it would be the same sort of effect. In addition, this one, which looks a lot like the red, is actually a sampler. It's called the Jubilee sampler, and it has the red, yes, but also it has this darling silver. Look at that silver. Oh, and pink. Pink. I think that's so cool. I love pink for the holidays. I don't know about you guys, but so you get 3 sheets of 12 by 12 of the red, the silver, and the pink. Okay. And then the third roll is this new mosaic, and it's called the Elegance Sampler. You get three sheets of 12 by 12. Say that 3 times fast. Red and white and black here. And really this mosaic is very interesting. I think we're going to have to try something with it because it's really, I don't know if I can even get in there and show you how it is, but it's all these little tiny squares. And I just think it's got a really, I don't know, a techno kind of a feel. So I know my son's gonna like a t-shirt made out of this stuff. I think it's really adorable. Oh, but don't tell him that, okay? So that's our iron-on, 3 rolls, and that does include 2 sampler rolls and 1 of the straight color. Plus, remember these flat in the black, gold, silver, and white. Now, let's move on to the vinyl. Lots of vinyls here. And again, remember the name of this package is called Feeling Festive, Getting Festive Mystery Box. So there's a lot of like festive in terms of the traditional holiday colors, and then also some like silver, gold, black, that kind of thing, maybe for New Year's or something like that. So this is the first one I want to show you. It's called the Gingham Sampler. This is a 3D textured. So I want to just show you so you can kind of see. It's like all these little squares, right? And it comes in black, silver, and gold. This would look awesome with different like regular shiny colors as well. I really haven't played with this. I think this is something we're going to have to work on. And not only that, but you get 3 sheets that are almost 24 inches. So you're getting actually 6 12 by 12 sheets. Think of it that way. And ooh, those are just beautiful colors. I love my metallics this time of year. Next up is a traditional red, but this is a holographic sparkle. Let me show you. Oh, I love this. This is awesome. And if you have any left over, if you get this, this is perfect for Valentine's Day. Isn't it great? Holographic sparkle vinyl. It's not glitter, so it goes on easier than the glitter vinyl. And it's just so festive, right? So it's really just pops right off the page, whatever you're using it for. Up next is some more holographic, but this is called Art Deco. Not really sure why they decided to name it Art Deco, but it's a green, and I want to show you what it looks like. It's got kind of all of these like circles on it. It's like, I don't know, kind of psychedelic, I think. Sort of cool. But it's green, and it's actually called Lemongrass, but it's a really nice green. Can you imagine these two together? Oh my goodness. So awesome. And you get 48 inches of this. And I'm trying to think, yeah, 48 inches of each of these. The red holographic sparkle and the lemongrass or green Art Deco holographic. Next up are some basic colors, but you know what? You need basic colors when you have all this flash. So here we've got a sampler. It's 6 different colors. It's called the Basic Sampler. Hey, when did they turn the word basic into a bad word? I like basic. It's like the standard. They should call it standard sampler or something. Anyway, you're going to get 6 different colors, 12 by 12, and this is the premium permanent glossy vinyl, 6 sheets, and there's black, and there's white, there's bronze, gold, silver, and I'm not sure. I think this is that cream at the very top, and it's in this, the tube. If I take it out, we're going to end up with a mess. So just so you know, you will get 6 sheets in there. And then look at this green. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's a forest green. And again, it's also permanent, and it's glossy vinyl. It's beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. I think, wouldn't this look good together? So nice. Okay, so that's our mystery box. It has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rolls. 8 rolls of iron-on and also permanent vinyl or regular vinyl in different kinds of patterns and colors. Then don't forget, you get these 10 sheets of the flat in the silver, gold, black, and white. And how could we forget our little cutie guy, our emerald green? This is an exclusive color. Remember, cuties cannot be purchased. Well, and I will say, they can't be purchased just outright on the Cricut site. There are a lot of people who sell them for an extraordinary amount of money just for the cutie. Why do that? Get yourself one of these mystery boxes, and you can have, not only you can have this adorable and exclusive color emerald cutie, but you can get all of this product to play with. And I promise you, we're going to be making stuff out of this because it's getting festive around here. So won't you join me going forward? Now remember, this is for Cricut Access customers only. It costs $49.99. It's over like $150 in retail value, which, I mean, $49, you'd never even get away with like 3 rolls for that price, okay? But you have to be an Access member, and you have to buy this at the Cricut website. Use my link. Now, my code will not work, but if you are Access customer, which you are, you're going to immediately get an additional at least 10% off on this box. If you're a premium customer, that's the annual customer, right? Annual Access member, you'll get 20% off. So your $50 for this thing immediately goes down, okay? Either 10% or 20%, and then of course there's free shipping. So this is available, or will be available tonight, starting tonight. It's called the Getting Festive Mystery Box. Please use my link. It really helps me. It helps me to continue providing you with all this wonderful content. And I promise you, we're going to use this to make some really awesome projects going forward on Cricut Chat. Thanks so much for coming. I hope you keep an eye out after midnight tonight for this great Getting Festive mystery box, maybe in the middle of the night, or maybe you're not even on Mountain Time, maybe you're on Pacific Time, and this is your way to grab it. So thanks so much, guys. Make sure you use the link that's in the description of the video. Take care.